Okay, friends, we are going on an adventure. I just got all the stuff I need. I got food to cook in the woods. It snowed last night, and I'm actually really looking forward to this. And I was going to bring my cat, Cosmo, but he got in the car and really was not having it. Sometimes he does, sometimes he doesn't. So I just decided to bring him home and not stress him out. Just kind of enjoy my time in nature because I've been really needing that lately and not getting it. So I've been working a lot, and yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy a little nature time, and I'm gonna bring you along with me. It's a beautiful day, so we're gonna have a little campfire and just enjoy some time in the woods. Okay, I just made it to my spot, and look at it. So much snow. This is the road, and I'm just gonna trek in a little bit. It goes to like a water source, so I can boil some water and have some tea when I want to. And yeah, it should just be a nice little time in the woods. And I'm excited for it because I've needed it for a while now. And I got this hat yesterday. It's pretty awesome. I look a little silly, but I love it. I'm not gonna lie. I look like Uncle Eddie. And I have no shame. So let's get ready to get on the trail. It doesn't look like anybody's on this trail. I went to one originally and decided not to go on it because there were a bunch of people. And I kind of just want to be in the woods on my own. Looks like there were some animals that came through here though. You can see all their little tracks. And the way that we're going is this way. And there's no tracks. You can hear the roads like right there behind me, and I don't know if you saw that car, but yeah, like I'm already almost at the place that I'm gonna stop, so it's a quick little trail. The snowpack in here, there's quite a bit of snow, but it's not too bad. You can hear the water. Look, there it is. But we're gonna go this way. Because there's a different spot that I like to go to. And I missed the trail. But that's okay. We're just gonna go right through the woods here. Oh, this is so nice. I love being in the woods. Especially the snowy woods. The water's right there. You can see the water. This is usually like a whole swimming hole, but it's just covered with snow right now. We're gonna go back over this way. All right. Let's see if I can get down here without falling. Okay. Perfect. I love how you can, like, the water just sounds so nice right here. Oh, I love it. All right, let's see. I've got my little, like, sitting pad here so that my butt doesn't get wet, because I hate when my butt gets wet. And you don't want to get wet in the woods, but... Let's see. Okay, I got a good spot to actually start it too. And I brought newspaper to make things a little easier. There's a lot of good stuff that I can burn right here, which is nice. Time to light her up. It's starting slowly but surely. You can see the flame under there. I just need these little sticks to catch, but they don't seem to want to. I think they just need to dry out a little bit, so it might just take some extra time. Slowly but surely, this thing will light up. Oh, I got smoke in my eyes. Whew. Alright, now the logs are catching. So that is good news. Now she's ripping. I got this from a local butcher, and it's bacon wrapped fillets. It's gonna be delicious. Now I gotta start it again because I should have let it get hotter, but it's alright. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wrap these bad Larrys back up. Say screw the fire. Started cooking slightly, but it's not cooking enough, obviously. So we're gonna wrap these bad Larrys up. And we're gonna cook them at home because luckily the outdoors is a refrigerator right now and I can just shove that on the snow. Feels nice out here. It's not like too cold to the point where I'm like really uncomfortable. It's just cold and feels good. Like I know I'm gonna sleep good tonight. Like that kind of cold. And I'll have a good dinner because we're actually going to my parents' house. My mom cooked shepherd's pie, which is so good. The salami is really good. I also have some cheese. Maple cheddar. There was a little dog, or it wasn't a little dog, it was actually a huge Labrador that came down here earlier. And he was so cute, oh my god. He was so interested in what I was doing. I love dogs. Jesus, this is hard to open. I'm getting there though. There we go, that's what I needed. Now I can just eat little pieces off. That's wicked good. It's my nature charcuterie. This is gonna be delicious. The salami with a little bit of this cheese on it. Oh my god. Yep. That's what I needed. Oh no! I dropped my cheese. That'll be a snack for somebody. Alright, here we go. That's so good. So good. There's something about like eating food in the woods that just makes it taste so much better. Okay, so the cooking didn't go as planned, but that's bound to happen when you are on an outdoor adventure, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm pretty warm, my butt's cold, but also just kind of how it goes in the woods. I did get to still have a good yummy snack, and I'm just gonna kind of explore around a little bit and then head out of here, go see my fiance and my cats, and then head over to my parents' house for dinner. I'm under snow-covered trees, and it's the best feeling in the world. I love it. Look at all the snowy trees. That's one of my favorite things in the world. I put the skillet on my backpack so it wouldn't get everything all dirty, and it's swinging around so much back there. One time, me and my friends came on this trail, and that little like hill thing that I just went up, one of my friends was running, like full on sprinting, and she tripped and landed so hard on it. I felt so bad, but she was fine. Looks like a heart. Aw, cute. I just saw a sign saying this is not public land and there's no campfires. So I am sincerely sorry that I had a fire and didn't see that sign. Whoops, I feel really bad now. I'm back to the car though. Okay, I made it back to the car and loaded it up. I feel really bad that I didn't see that no fire sign. And I don't know. Like, I thought that this was public land that you could have fires. It's the reason I came out here. So I'll see if I can figure out who owns the land and reach out and apologize. People around here are generally pretty cool and nice, and they like love nature, and that's why they have places like this. But people come here in the summertime all the time and like swim in the little water hole. So I feel like maybe that sign's just there to deter people who aren't local, maybe. I don't know. Either way, I will reach out to the landowner if I can figure out who it is. And also, I'm not going to go back in there and explore because now I just feel bad and I feel like I'm on somebody else's land. So I'm going to wrap it up here for now. But I told my fiance I'd be home around like 2:30 and it's only 12:40 right now, so I kind of want to adventure a little more. So I think I'm going to. But I'm going to go get it's not a Jetboil, but it's like sort of a Jetboil sort of thing, so that I can sit in the woods and have some tea at least. All right, see you soon.